up, beauties? This is your girl TiaBella. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to the nail family. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I did these Valentine inspired stiletto nails using the Makartt Hooked on Love Polygel collection. So if you want to see how I did these, please keep on watching. So first I start off with applying primer to the back of my full cover nail tips. And you want to do this because this allows a little bit of etching for that base gel. Once I am done, I apply a thin layer of base gel to the inside of the tip. Then I take my spatula as well as my polygel and I go ahead and apply that directly to the nail tip. And because I am doing a French tip on this nail, I am taking a different colored polygel and applying that to the tip of the nail. Work your spatula into your polygel just by lightly and gently patting down the polygel into the nail. And once you are satisfied with the way it looks, you go ahead and apply some base gel to your own natural nail. Do not cure the base gel because you are going to be applying that polygel tip directly to your nail. So I take a alcohol wipe and I just remove some of that sticky layer that comes to the side, as well as dehydrating the top of the nail. I take my file, my 100-180 file, and just kind of clean around the edges to make sure that any excess polygel is removed. I take my buffer and I buff the surface of the nail to remove that shine. Once I am done with that, I take my base coat and I apply that directly to the nail. So now it is time to decorate my nail with some rhinestones. So I'm going to be using these hard rhinestones that came with the Hooked on Love collection. And I also bought some regular small circular flat rhinestones from a recent Amazon haul. You can see that Amazon haul video also on my channel as well. So again, I don't have any particular idea of what I decide to do with my nails. I just kind of let creativity come with me with the video as I start. So I'm just taking rhinestones and just strategically placing them into a little curve onto my nail. So I feel like my nail needs a little bit more oomph to it. So I'm going to take this red glittery gel polish from this Hooked on Love collection. And I'm just going to go ahead and, apply a little bit of polish, a little bit of glitz and glam to the tip of this nail. Now I'm just going to apply a little bit of the top coat and just put another little heart rhinestone to the corner there just to give it a little symmetry. And there you go. That's how the nail looks. So now I'm going to move on to my index finger, and for this I'm going to be using this light pink polygel from Makartt, and I'm applying this to the entire nail and patting this in very gently, making sure to get all the spaces and crevices covered. Again, you go in with some base gel onto your natural nail, you apply this nail, and then you position it and then put it under your UV lamp to cure for around 120 seconds, and that is how that nail looks. So I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing for my pinky finger, and then I will be right back. Okay, so the pinky is done. Very simple and easy. Now let's move on to my middle finger. So for this, actually this is going to be my ring finger. So for this, I've already applied the primer and the base gel to the full cover nail. And now I'm just going in with some of that black and kind of red and gold heart mix. I don't have a clear Makartt Polygel, even though I have read reviews and people swear by it. So I'm just going to take this Venalisa Polygel that I got from AliExpress and apply it. Now, I don't want the video to be extremely long, so I went ahead and did my middle finger using another polygel from the Hooked on Love collection. And I simply filled in the other hand as well, my non-dominant hand, using the pink polygels and the glitter polygel from the Makartt collection as well. So you can see all of the colors are now displayed on all of my fingers. Really love dragons, and I really wanted to incorporate dragons into this because I got some dragons from Amazon off my recent Amazon haul. So I'm going to go ahead and use my dragon stickers for my pinky and index finger, and I have some flame stickers that I got from Amazon as well, so I'm going to be applying some flame stickers to these fingers as well. And this is how all of my nails turned out in the end. Really happy with this kit. It allowed me to experiment and be very creative in creating this look. And then for my right hand, this is how that turned out. I ended up doing this the next day because I was just really tired. And the lips and the little pretty rhinestones, they all work together. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video has been helpful, and I will see you in the next one.